What's up, everybody? Okay, it's that first Tuesday of the month again. It's Christmas. Uh, so if you head over to Epic Marketplace, link in the description down below, whatever, you get these free. Okay, all you got to go is free for the month, and once you do that, you'll get these. There's nothing on the permanently free this month or last month. I think they stopped that, which is totally fine. I mean, geez, like how many assets? Right, first you get this stylized winter city environment, which looks pretty cool. Um, it's stylized and it looks quite cozy though, doesn't it? It looks quite cool. It's a very nice style. A lot of assets to it. Pretty damn cool. Very cool. There's no video for this. Yeah. Then you get like this furniture pack, which is pretty damn cool. I mean, if you're looking for like really good furniture, this is it. It's a very wunderschönes Gedöns, ja. Das ist richtig ganz cool. Look at this, the so things. So really pretty, man. I think they're quite high for I think they're pretty high resolution. So they're not kind of for like your tiny little games or whatever, but very beautiful looking things. Then you get the vintage packs, which I really like. There's no video again with this thing, but very beautiful, man. Very beautiful assets, very cool things to have. Once again, man, if they're not made by Epic, you can take these and chuck them into Daz, chuck them into Maya, chuck them into whatever the hell you want. So I highly recommend you go get them. They're free, and there's a lot of cool assets, man. Look at this. Look at that. Man, that alone is really cool. So very cool. I mean, stuff to make an entire vintage room, and it looks pretty damn cool. Very cool. If you're making a horror game, perhaps. Then you get like this old shanty town, which looks wicked, man. Very cool. Shanty town slums. And this I enjoy a lot. Like these kind of old broken down houses, and this is wicked, man. Yeah, this how I use. This how I use. Tired. It's a long day's work today, people. So this is very cool, man. Very cool stuff, yeah. That is amazing, man. This is great. So I like a lot. You got a video with this one, which is pretty cool. Um, yeah, man. Like it's just something different. It's kind of different to the same billion walls you get or billion buildings you get. Uh, it's just it's just nice. It's cool assets. I love this kind of stuff, and this is very cool, man. This could go a long way. This could go a long way. They're very pretty. They're very pretty. Then you get like this interaction starter pack, which looks pretty cool. I mean, it gives you all the BPs or whatever to start off, like just interactions, buttons, pressure plates, input. I mean, that's pretty cool. This I like. Physical based. Hell, this could actually help me. Very cool. So kind of like the basics of interaction starter pack, exactly what it says, which is pretty cool actually. This I would kind of probably use. This I quite like. Step on something, open up a door. This will be quite interesting to look at the BPs if you're a beginner or whatever, and it's just a nice little handy pack to have. With the physics stuff, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, this I think I would kind of use. And that's it, right? That's the five. That is the five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very cool. So I mean, like I say, they're completely free. Go get them, man. They're completely and utterly free. Sign up, make an account. Even if you're not using Unreal, go get them. They're free. You can use any of these in any other program you want. You just got to learn how to set them up or whatever. But what wicked assets, man. What wicked assets. I still got to get started on my Unreal, whatever the hell they call tutorials. And that'll come soon. I swear. One of these days, people, bam, in a face. Anyway, I hope you have a good day and speak to you later. Bye, guys.